Hello guys, this is another new movie trailer called Vial of Secrets. It's a Nollywood movie played by Inem King. Looks worried, her eyes darting around nervously. One human past is about to catch up with her, looking so intense with a dark secret in her eyes. A secret so vile, it will destroy everything she holds dear. Will she survive the vial of secret that threatens to consume her? Vial of secret coming soon. The darkness will be revealed. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, you can do well by subscribing to this channel. Thank you.